Do you want to know how to edit a previously saved ROI on ImageJ? You came to the right place. Welcome to our image tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to edit the shape of a region of interest, or ROI, in ImageJ. This can be very useful when you need to refine your selection for accurate analysis. Let's dive in. First, open ImageJ and load the image that contains the ROI you wish to edit. To do this, go to File Open and select your image file. Next, let's select the ROI. If your ROI is already on the image, simply click on it. If you have it saved, you can load it using the ROI Manager. To open the ROI Manager, go to Analyze Tools, ROI Manager. In the ROI Manager, click on Open and choose your saved ROI file. Now, let's modify the ROI. Here are a few ways to do this. Reshape the ROI, go to Edit Selection Specify. Here, you can adjust the width, height, and position of the ROI. Make your changes and then click OK. Move the ROI. To move the ROI, just click and drag the selection to the new position on the image. Resize the ROI. Click on one of the small squares or handles around the border of the ROI. Drag these handles to resize the selection. Freehand adjustments. For freehand selections, you can smooth out the shape by going to Edit Selection Fit Spline. This option allows you to adjust the nodes for a more precise shape. Once you are satisfied with your edits, it's time to save the updated ROI. In the ROI Manager, click on More and select Save. Choose a location and fill a name for your ROI and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully edited an ROI in ImageJ. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ImageJ tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.